Okay, look at this one. This is a test drive car. Usually, I'm not talking about BYD or SISMA for that matter. Usually when I go test drive cars and take test drive cars under this type of sun, I know I will suffer because nobody that I know of, whatever German car maker or Japanese car maker, right, their test drive cars always do not come with tints. But look at this. Ta-da! That's the tint that I use, Glastec. And that's their new product called Dynasty. When you hear Dynasty, you know it's from China. Yes, they actually found really good products from China and they collaborate. And now, apart from their American range, they have a China range as well. Those products in China were specifically developed for Chinese cars. What do I mean by that? So in China, the EVs, right, all of them, the front glass always come with double panel glass. Right? Because EVs are very quiet, and when your car is quiet, you may hear more noise from the wind and all that. Even though your engine doesn't produce noise, your exhaust doesn't produce noise, but it will amplify the noise that comes from the tires and the wind in that matter. So most of the Chinese EVs, right, they all have double pane glass. Alright? Now when you have double pane glass, you put normal tints there, it will affect the clarity. That's why China tints are extremely clear because they have the need for EV cars. And that's the reason why Glastec has introduced these two products, Dynasty and Elegance. And now if you purchase your BYD from SISMA Auto, you can actually ask them about these two tints from China. Alright, what China products exemplify would be high quality, low cost, easy on your wallet, and you can maintain a better lifestyle without spending so much money. Yeah, that's my friend from Glastec, Eric. So, yeah, that's what they have now. Okay.